One strong bounce, a little bit all over the place yesterday, but holding well. I can see that Bitcoin dominance is still there. It's one of the few cryptos that had a higher market cap yesterday. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 20 November 2024, and today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, and short on the yen, the pound and the euro. Looking at the dollar index, after running up heavily yesterday, it formed a long upper shadow, and that shows us the bears are stepping in and that the bulls are losing steam. However, I still think this trend is very strong, but a decent retracement would be welcomed. Now, most likely one or two things will happen. A retest of this level here, and then a bounce or lower levels, or if it's a top reversal and we're going to see a bigger reversal or a bigger retracement for that matter, we would like to see a spike to a new high and then fail over from there and then break down. That should give us a very nice retracement. I think the market needs a decent retracement. I would love it to come back to these areas here. That'll keep the trend bullish. But let's see what happens then. That's my aim. That's the two things I see, a retracement there or there. And then the second one is for a top reversal, that it breaks through to a new high and then fades over, forming something like a double top or something. And then a decent retracement. That would be much appreciated for this market, relieving some of the buying pressure here on the dollar. If we then look at gold retracing still to that 61% level. Daily bearish. Strong dollar definitely, and the retracement. Now, quite a nice bounce from these lows on the weekly chart. I'll show you the weekly levels coming in there. But quite a nice strong bounce, but I would not be buying into this. I would like to see some form of reversal up there. The 61% for 2700 would be the coup de grace. Are we going further up or are we coming down further? So that would be the big question and the big thing that we need to wait for. So let's see. If it falls over from here, that means the bear trend is very strong. We're hitting the 38% retracement. If it falls over from here, that means we got a strong bear trend coming in. So we're going to see quite a deep retracement then, maybe to 2400 or so. But I'll work on those levels later. On the daily, on the 4-hour charts, I would not do much. The price action seems a little bit more bullish here than the bearish trend that I spot there. The dailies definitely show some bullishness coming in, but that'll be the area to watch. Then Bitcoin finding good support here. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. After breaking above the 1.27, the retracement over the weekend, one strong bounce, a little bit all over the place yesterday, but holding well. I can see that Bitcoin dominance is still there. It's one of the few cryptos that had a higher market cap yesterday than the altcoins. The altcoins mostly dropped in market cap yesterday. Bitcoin is slightly higher, I think 0.95% more market cap than its previous day. So Bitcoin dominance still keep going, and I won't jump into altcoin season too quickly, but you'll see the altcoins, some of them will push and then they will fade down. But we first have to watch Bitcoin to make sure that Bitcoin reached its potential targets. And I still think it's going to go to $100, up to 110. I think that's where the dominance will fade. Until then, I think we still got dominance. It's near the all-time highs. It actually made a new all-time high yesterday, again just slightly with the $100 to $200, but it still shows Bitcoin dominance. Nothing else is really making new highs at this stage. So don't be in a rush to go out of Bitcoins into altcoins. I'm going to take 5, maybe 10% up there, so maybe I can move the money back to altcoins, or when I see a decent sell-off of 20-30% on Bitcoin, maybe use that capital to re-enter into the trade. Don't do something extravagant there regarding exits. Yes, accept volatility, expect volatility, and expect big drawdowns, 20-30% drawdowns. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. It's a volatile period, but those that are patient, that hold on tight, do the monthly investment, you will do well over the years, you will see. Then look at pound Swiss on the currencies, retracing here back to the support level here. You can see pound bottom of the pile, Swiss neutral, not after that, but I'm after the pound shorts and almost testing. So I'm looking for the test and then a counter reversal here. Then I'll definitely consider some shorts. Then the pound Aussie, also pound bottom of the pile, Aussie in the green zone. I want to be short here, so I need the retracement. Look at this last directional swing, retracement back to the 61% fib, right at structure there, some nice counter reversals there. That'll get me to go short. I don't have that much to look at this morning. The yen dropped suddenly from way up there yesterday and last night down to the red zone, so something is happening there. So we might spot some trend reversals, and usually I can see when trend reversals is imminent. I usually get less trades, less setups to look at, and then when the trend is changed, and then I get a ton of them. So yeah guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.